Billing errors can be frustrating, but resolving them can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a quick guide to help you address any billing issues you may encounter with Ramp Travel. Step 1. Review your billing statement. Check your billing statement carefully to identify any discrepancies. Look for charges that seem incorrect, duplicate charges, or services that you did not use. Step 2. Gather supporting documentation. Collect all relevant documents that support your claim. This may include receipts, confirmation emails, and any correspondence related to your booking or charges. Step 3. Contact customer service. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Airsorter to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow up. If you do not receive a timely response, follow up with customer service. Keep a record of your communications, including dates and names of representatives you spoke with. Step 5. Escalate if necessary. If the issue remains unresolved after your follow-ups, consider escalating the matter. Ask to speak with a supervisor or submit a formal complaint through their website or customer service channels. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing errors with Ramp Travel. Remember to stay patient and persistent throughout the process.